Okay, today we are going to look at one of our Deriv analysis tools, and today's video is mobile version. So once you come, you scroll from right to left like that, and then you come to the EO analysis tool. That is the tool. This tool analyzes even, odd, over and under. And let me scroll it down. That is where you input your stake and then click prepare bot. The bot will be automatically be loaded. So let's try and scan for a market. Once you're here, scan markets like that. And then it will present and scan, depending on the selection, the first 1S family. And you can see there, volatility 90. You click view, it will be brought down to where you can input your stake. And then once you see analysis status is prepared, you click prepare the bot. Then again, you'll be automatically scrolled to the conditions section. Okay, so you can see here, we are ranking at 70–80%. And all those conditions must be met, and then you will hear a beep and simply run the bot. Okay, so we've analyzed, you've input your stake, you've loaded the bot, martingale factors all done for you. Take profit is normally 3 times. Settings, if the market is not good, you can come back and scan again. Okay, so there again you can see volatility 90 has disappeared. You keep watching like this. The one that is ready, you will see the view button opening up there. Then you click view. Then now you'll be taken down to input stake. Observe whether it's prepared. Then now you click load the bot. Then again now it will scroll down automatically and take you to the conditions section as you wait for the final entry. Okay, so let's see. We're trying to capture even, odd here. Looks like we don't have a ready market. We can proceed on to over and under if we do not get anything available for now. So always be patient with the tool. Always be patient with the tool once it's scanning like this. Let's go to the over and under market. So I've switched on to over and under, and you can see we have volatility 51S. You can see there it's scrolling you down, input your stake, and you can see prepared, $15. Then you lock stake. Make sure to lock. Once you've locked like that, that is when your stake, bot, and everything is ready on the other side, okay? And then now you come here and observe. You can also read the conditions and wait for the final beep, okay? You can see we want to trade under 6. Trigger is digit 8 touched, and then the next tick should touch digits from 0 to 4, and that has happened, and we're in the market. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Under 6 normally is a good has got good ROI, that is your stake to return value, and you can see we're already trading. The losses should never scare you in trading, and you can see whenever we recover like $22, we got a profit of $28. Okay, so you keep observing. Do not overtrade, do not chase wins, do not chase losses. Okay, so let's see. So far $31 made, and the bot that is also being used is the over under pressure switch. It's a specialized bot as well. And you can see so far $40. Let's zoom in. 40, 25. Let's see whether we are going to recover. Boom, $53 made. We've hit our take profit, targeting 3 times. You can see number of runs 10, contracts won 5, contracts lost 5, and at least we've hit our take profit. Okay, so that is the tool, even, odd analysis. Okay, once you come to the site, depending on whether you're using a laptop or a mobile, you'll be able to find the EO analysis tool. Okay, so let's go back to even, odd. Let's scan. Let us scan. Let's see whether we can capture. Okay, there. It's currently scanning the 1S family, volatility indices. And there we have 75 1S, even. Click view. It will bring you down to the stake area. Input your stake. Then you can see analysis starter saying watch. Once it says prepare, that is when you click prepare alpha bot. Okay, so right now it's just watching. waiting for the confidence levels to reach an appropriate percentage that would be good for you to trade, okay? So keep observing, let's see. You can even just wait there and wait for the conditions to beat. I'm just rescanning because of avoiding to make the video too long. But this is how, again, you can see 75 1s there. Let's see. 91s, you click view, come back to the stake, it's collecting data. There you can see prepared, load, alpha bot, and then we wait for these parameters to fill. So only two are remaining, task touched, digit 3, and then any other even digit that will come, you should be able to hear a beep and run the bot, okay? So digit 3 here is a list appearing. We are waiting up there, we go. You see all of them are propagated. And then we simply enter the market like that. Let's see our first trade. Let's zoom. Is a win. Second trade is a win. Third is a win. And fourth is a win, okay? So you can see we've again made $50.72. And that is the idea of trading synthetic indices. You're not supposed to stay in for long, in and out. And then, guys, this is the tool, even odd analysis. We've refined it, and you can already see again, the market is ready. Okay, you can proceed on even and take a second trade. But the purpose of the video is to introduce you to show you how you can use it on mobile phone, on laptop as well, you can use it. If you do not find the tools, depending on the percentage, always click on laptop, the 3 dots on your laptop screen, and then zoom, play around with your zoom. The best is 67%, guys, okay? So that is the tool, guys. Links are below the video or on description area to access the even odd analysis tool by ProfitMaxTrader. Happy trading, good luck. Remember to subscribe, remember to follow, join our WhatsApp, Telegram groups. We occasionally send signals and we'll keep improving on the tools. Good luck and happy trading.